To find your YouTube channel URL link in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to go to your YouTube app and then click on the your profile picture in the top right corner, and after that you have to click on your channel. When you click on your channel, then you come to this page, and here you can see this is my channel. And what you have to do is you have to click on the three dots in the top right corner, and then you have to click on the share button, and after that you can see the copy link button in the here. And when you click on the copy link button, then you have copied your channel URL link. But in case if the share button is not showing up in your case, then what you have to do, you have to go to your share search history, search bar, and then you have to type for your channel name. Let's see, I am doing this. So after typing your channel name, so when you type the channel name, then here you can see my channel is not so big, but what you have to do, if in this it is not showing up, then you have to click on the three dots and then click on the filters, and here you can see the type. So you have to click on the all, and then you can choose the channel and you can apply it. When you click on the channel, then here you can see all these buttons. So here you can find your channel and then click on the three dots, and then you can click on the share button, and after that you can copy the link. So that's it, that how you can do this. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.